Okay, hi everyone. This is just a short video of a video and demonstration of a wood chipper I built. So let's have a little closer look. Okay, this pile of brush is my old Carolina hedge. It stood 20 feet tall, most of it, and the base of them are mostly 2.5 inches in diameter. This machine will turn that brush into stuff like this. So this is a little closer look at it, at the machine. It's all made of 1/4-inch plate steel. Has a 12 horsepower engine at 3600 RPM. The rotor, which is in this housing, spins at 2700. Has 2 knives and 1 stationary knife on one side of the wheel, and on the opposite side of the wheel there's the fan. And this is the air intake. So let's fire this thing up and see what it does.